My name is Emma, and I want to tell you about my best friend. Her name is Zoe. She is not just my best friend. She is like a sister to me. We share a deep bond that has lasted for many years. Our story began when we met in kindergarten. Zoe sat next to me on the first day of school. We played with blocks and toy animals, and from that moment, we became inseparable. Now, we are both 35 years old, and our friendship has only grown stronger with time. Zoe is very special to me. She has short black hair and warm brown eyes. She is tall and always wears bright, colorful clothes. Her favorite color is yellow. Whenever she wears yellow, she lights up the room like sunshine. Zoe is incredibly funny and always knows how to make me laugh, especially when I'm feeling down. Once, I was really upset about a test. Zoe noticed and started telling me silly jokes. I couldn't stop laughing. She always knows how to lift my spirits. We share many hobbies. Both of us love drawing. Every Saturday, we sit together and create art. Sometimes we draw flowers, animals, or even our dreams. I enjoy using a lot of colors, while Zoe loves drawing animals. And she's amazing at it. Besides drawing, we enjoy reading. Once a month, we visit the library and pick out books about adventure and friendship. We read them together and talk about our favorite parts. Reading with Zoe is one of my favorite things. We also enjoy cooking. On weekends, Zoe makes delicious pasta, and I love baking cookies. One time, we baked a huge chocolate cake. It turned out so well, we shared it with our families. It was a wonderful day. Our friendship is built on support and love. Whenever Zoe has a problem, I'm there to listen. She trusts me with her worries, and I do my best to comfort her. One day, she lost a necklace that her grandmother had given her. She was heartbroken. We searched everywhere until we finally found it under the couch. Zoe was so happy, she gave me the biggest hug. Every summer, we go to the beach together. We swim in the ocean, build sand castles, and collect seashells. One year we even found a starfish. We love playing frisbee and beach volleyball. Zoe is very fast. She always wins at frisbee. I try my best, but she's too good. In the winter, we go ice skating at the town rink. We laugh, skate, and sometimes fall, but we always help each other up. It's so much fun. We celebrate our birthdays together too. Zoe's birthday is in April and mine is in May, so we have a joint party every year. We decorate with balloons, play games, and enjoy time with friends. This year, I surprised Zoe with a party. She was so happy and thanked me with a big hug. Zoe has a little dog named Max. He's fluffy with white fur and big brown eyes. I love playing with Max. He's very friendly and loves to fetch. Zoe and I often walk him in the park and play together. He brings us so much joy. Friday nights are our movie nights. We make popcorn and watch comedies. We laugh until our stomachs hurt. No matter what happens, Zoe is always there for me. When I had a job interview and felt nervous, Zoe helped me prepare. She asked me questions and helped me practice. Because of her, I felt confident and ready. We share our dreams and support each other. Zoe wants to become a veterinarian because she loves animals. I dream of becoming a teacher. We encourage one another and never stop believing in each other. Sometimes we have silly little competitions, like who can draw the best picture. We cheer each other on, and even when I lose, I always have fun. Zoe is more than a friend. She's family. We understand each other deeply and truly care for one another. I am so lucky to have her in my life. At the end of every day, I feel thankful for Zoe. Our friendship is full of love, laughter, and joy. I hope we stay best friends forever. Together, we can face anything. Zoe is my best friend, and I love her with all my heart.